How to fix unable to initialize GPU in DaVinci Resolve 18. First thing you want to do is go to your Windows search. From here, type in graphics settings. Click on OK. Now you will be routed to your graphics settings, and then make sure that choose an app to set preference is going to be desktop app, not Microsoft Store app. Just choose on desktop app. Now, if your DaVinci Resolve 18 is not showing right here, all you have to do is to open up the main folder or the main setup application of DaVinci. Just click on Browse, and then you'll just have to find where your DaVinci folder is. Usually, or most of the time, it's gonna be placed under local disk C drive and then program files 86. And then you can go ahead to common files and you can look ahead for a DaVinci folder right here. Or you can go ahead and look here. Now, once you have added your DaVinci setup file right here, you'll just have to close everything and then go back to your Windows search and then type in Device Manager. Click on OK. Okay, now once your device manager is loaded, all you have to do is to look for display adapters, which is this one. Double click on that and then click on your current graphics card. Right click on it and make sure that you have updated your graphics card driver. Now you can either choose to search automatically for drivers, or you can go ahead and browse my computer for drivers. From here, you'll just have to look for your current graphics card where your card was placed on. Now, you'll just have to follow through the process to update the driver successfully. And once everything is sorted out, make sure to restart your PC. So that's how you fix unable to initialize GPU in DaVinci Resolve 18.